That's so low down. You are such a jerk. Guys, I want to try that back crack from TikTok, and I want to try it too, my brothers. I want to try it on Noah. Hey Noah. Huh? Can I do that back crack challenge on you? Okay, I got this one. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. Hit the thumbs up. Welcome to Rivers Royale. What's up, H2 Squad? It's your RIVER. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing a reaction to TikTok back crack. It sounds more painfully than it will probably look. So let's get straight to the video and see what's gonna happen. Okay, guys, stay tuned to see me do this challenge on my brothers.
Okay, so we about to try the back crack thing. Hold on. Give me a second. Alright, get on your knees.
What?
Yeah, like that. Put your hands on your head like this.
I feel like this is a setup.
No, like this, like this. It's not a setup for real. Okay.
I don't know about that. I think I've seen this.
Oh!
Okay, never mind. I've never seen this. Okay.
So good. Do me!
Okay, we're doing that trend or the challenge thing or whatever. Okay, come on.
Back crack.
Yeah, no.
It's like you always have to look back and. Oh, that it's like
Yes,
it's like
it
stress
did.
and evil.
Bro, do it again. Do it again.
Do it feel nice?
Come on. Yes! Come on. You popped it! Dang! You popped it! Oh my god, that worked so good!
Me every day after I saw that TikTok.
Okay.
Oh.
It's all like you have. It's like releases stress. Like if you're frustrated and somebody, if you're doing this, and somebody just do this, like oh that feels so good.
I
You
tried
like
the
it.
back crack challenge on my boyfriend.
Oh, 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 oh.
My brother is
Back
gonna
one's been
do
really
the
hard,
TikTok thing where he cracks my back. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, it's like
Oh
this.
no, I think this is a setup. He gonna hurt her.
No, 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 you're supposed to put your arms like. Wait. Okay. Oh my.
It sounds like she broke her,
Alright, so we're
her
gonna try
back.
the back cracking thing. So we gotta go like turn around.
You know, like
You're done.
That's not it!
that's so low down. You are such a jerk. That's why I never. That's probably why I never.
And then you just
Trust me, would give me a back crack. What do they have handcuffs like? Like Is this man on the zone? That's one way.
Oh,
Oh yeah, I do this. I do that a lot. If I need to crack it, if nobody there to do that, I'm like, oh man, I'm becoming a helicopter right now. Ooh,
Okay,
ow.
y'all, he finna crack my back. And yes, my armpit's black, but I'm black. So get into it. You turn around.
Like this?
I'm scared.
It's getting scary because when we tried to look, ooh, then I felt like
I'm scared.
I'm good.
Okay, come on.
Okay, it's better work.
It's not working.
Your police officer didn't make any sense.
Come on. Push your arms up.
Oh my gosh, this better be. This better work.
Okay, I got this.
So my girlfriend hasn't seen the videos where they be cracking the backs on TikTok, and I want to see if it works, and so she's perfect. So you can get on your knees.
I'm scared.
Just get on your knees and be comfortable. I'm not gonna hurt you. Okay, hands like this.
Yeah, I feel like this is such
Alright,
a
and now
setup.
switch to.
You're gonna put your butt in
Alright.
your face and fart.
I'm not. I'm not. I have to go look and see how they did it. Alright, we're back. I figured it out. So put your hands behind your head like this. Clasp your hands together behind your head. And you gotta sit up a little bit, like high on your knees. Yeah, like that. Now. You heard that? Do me. I want to try.
That was good.
I want to try.
She is so. Like,
Hurt really bad.
it was like scary. And then when you realize, like, oh, we got. Was it a cat? Look at like, I'm gonna zoom past here. I don't feel like. Okay, guys. So I thought that those were really like people kind of looking like they was hurt and stuff. But first, as soon as it pop and you like do this, it can hurt for a tiny little second, like you can barely feel it. But then when you like get more into like whatever you was doing at first, it like stress release, and then like, oh, okay, we good. And then yeah, and the lady was scared. She kept doing this, and then her brother kept trying to do it, but she kept getting scared, so she kept stopping the camera when she did this. She just almost like flew. It was funny, guys. So thank you for watching this video. So like, subscribe, hit the little bell, comment down below. What should I react to next? Peace. So guys, I want to try that back crack from TikTok, and I want to try it to my brothers. I'm gonna try it on Noah. Hey Noah, huh? Can I do that back crack challenge on you?
5 minutes later.
Might be coming steps too, for real. See?
5 minutes later.
Yeah. Do you mind if I do that TikTok back crack on you? Yeah. Okay. So you gotta do this. You gotta do this. Okay. Okay.
Boy, if you don't
You guys, as you can tell, Noah's trapped, but dramatically. Now I'm gonna cut your hair off with scissors. Nope, now I'm gonna call another brother. Okay, you're done. Bye. Okay. Let's see who am I gonna call. Hey, Mom. Guys, I want to see who I'm gonna call. Will it be? Oh, I know. 3. Booby, can I try that back crack TikTok on you?
Yeah.
Hello, you gotta give me when you can do this. What that booty? What gonna do? Pins in my head. This is gonna be weird. This is taller. This is hard. Yeah, I can barely do this. He's big. Yep. You're so big as hell. Okay. I guess that was a fail, but it was a win for him because he was actually able to do it to my back. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below. So, yeah, you know, some people. Peace. Stop.